Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial we're going to create beautiful bold flames using the one stroke technique. Now let's break it down. With a 3/4 inch flat angled brush and from my Rainbow Explosion palette, I'm picking up the Fire Flame Split Cake colours, making sure that the tip of the brush is on the darker side as I'm loading. Bringing the brush flat onto the skin, we're going to bring it curving out and up into a tip, and then from here we're going to create a U. So meeting at the tip, going down and up, and repeating that process again. However, instead of just going up, we're going to tip it to the side. From here, meeting right at the tip, curving it out and down. And then coming up into a U again, and then meeting the top of that U and then bringing it down to complete the shape. Filling everything in with the heel of the brush, which has the yellow loaded. Now to complete it, we're going to do exactly the same shape, but on the inner of that flame in a smaller version. Now I've got practice sheets of these on my website, letspaint.tv. The link will be in the description below. It's basically a little printout that you can print out, and it's a practice sheet for you to follow the arrows so that you can perfect making flames. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.